Hey there, this is Kirtana from Ask Techie and welcome back to the new series on Python list. So, lists are one of the four built-in data structure in Python and together with tuples, dictionaries and sets. And we have to keep in mind that this concept is particularly important and that is it could be seen in the concept returning in other programming languages and that are used in the data science like Scala. So the first thing we must consider is we should put on the question that why to use Python list, right? So a list stores an ordered collection of items, so it keeps some order. So while collecting an items, it will maintain some order, right? So lists are great to use when you wanna work with related values. Then so now let's see the definition of the list in Python. Fine. Okay. A list can be defined as a collection of values or items of different types, which means different data types. And the items in the list are separated with comma and enclosed within the square brackets. And the list or mutable type. Here the mutable means which can be changed by manual. Fine. Then each elements inside the list is called as item. So in simple way, the list can be said as having a values between the square bracket. So then let's see the characteristics of an list. So the first one is ordered sequence, then comes elements placed inside the square bracket, then mutable, need not to be in the same type, and the elements are accessed by indexing. Fine. Let's see an example for these characteristics. So fine. So first let's create an list. For example, A is equal to open square bracket followed by closed square bracket. Inside this, let's give any number like any data types 1, 2 or 4, 6. Okay, now it is a list. How we can say it is a list? Here it consists of an square bracket and it consists of an elements which is separated by commas. So here A is an variable. So okay, fine. So if I type A, it gives an output of the value A, that is 1, 2, 4, 6. Here the A consists of same data type, which is integer. So now let's check on with the different data types. For example, have a variable called C is equal to open and close the square bracket. Inside this, let's give any string. For example, Kirti, then Isha, then Kani, Vidu. So I take a particular names, for example. So it is also a list. How we can say it is a list? Because it consists of a square bracket and the items are separated by commas. So if I give an enter, I want the list which is C. So if I press enter, the values of C, that is the list, will be obtained in an output. So now let's check with the different types of data types. For example, take a variable called name. For example, this is equal to open and close the square bracket. Inside that, first let's give an integer 1, then 2.5, so 2.3 or anything, just float, and then now I'm gonna give the string which is RV. Okay, fine. So it is also unlist. So let's try to get an output. Enter. I need the output for name. So I got the output as 1, 2.3 and the string which I have given inside. So this is what the process we are gonna see and we have seen before. So in the upcoming videos, let's see about the list methods and we can see the difference between the list versus a tuple. list versus dictionary and list versus set. So thank you.